Amazon Prime Day haul unboxing coming up right now. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we're going to be unboxing some Amazon Prime Day things that we bought, and this is some of the stuff. It came in one day, which is insane. Amazon is on their A game. So yeah, let's get into it. First product, we're just going to start off with the small things. Right. So we bought a Rubik's Cube. Yeah, we got a small 3x3. This is a speed cube. I'm just gonna rip it. This is a speed cube. Quality is actually pretty decent. Got this for less than $5, which is pretty cool. I needed a speed cube because I have like a little ghetto one that you get at like Target. So yeah, I needed a speed cube, so I bought it. It's probably the non-tech item out of all of this. I believe I know what this is. Yep. So, a ton of Razer products went on sale. Like, I mean a ton. And I'm pretty sure everyone that went Prime Day shopping knows that Razer did a ton of sales. This is the Razer Kraken X. I'm going to be doing this for a future video, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm not going to unbox it on here. I'll probably unbox it in another video, but that's basically what I got for like $32, originally $50, which is better than buying a Chinese brand headset that's going to break pretty easily. Last, we have a box. This is just batch 1 out of 2, so I'll probably make an update video because I did buy more stuff, but this is all the one-day items. Alright, so on top we have a surge protector. We bought a surge protector for, like I said, a future video. You'll probably know out of all the stuff we're buying, but this is for a future video, and yeah, it's for cable management. Now, if you still don't get the hint, just wait. I'm gonna probably make the video in November or early December, which this I will actually unbox. I'm just gonna show you because you don't know what it is. So this is a little headphone hanger, also for the video. Yeah, so you have 3M tape. You can mount it from the little pole things, and then you have 3.0 chargers. So obviously a 3-port smart supercharger. So it's a fast 3-port smart charger, and then you could put cables here, or headphones, or an Apple Watch, anything. Which I think this is an amazing purchase. One thing is they should have moved this part right here, because then you're gonna have to go like this, and then you're gonna see the cable. It would just be smarter if you put it like right here, but oh well. Anyways, this is an amazing purchase, and it's gonna help with the future video. It looks like it comes with already some cable ties, or cable clips and screws, and has 2-year warranty as well as an instruction guide. That's interesting. I have another batch or 2 coming in a few more days, but we shall see when they arrive in a timed manner, like 1-2 days apart from each other. Then I'll make another video because I can't really wait too long to unbox something. It's kind of a must to unbox it for me, but yeah. Anyways, so we got Cozoo strip, cable ties, headphones, and a Rubik's Cube. I want to say 100 on all of this. It's full price, but I just bought it because I needed it. This was like $7. This was 22, originally 21 originally 27. This was also 21 and originally 27, so I saved about $5 each on both of these. This I saved like $3, which is, it was like $4 or $5. This I saved $19, I believe, 18 or 19. It was originally 50 and I got it for 32. That's all I got from Amazon Prime Day. Definitely I needed a new headset, and I also have another headset that I bought, and you're gonna see in another video which one I got if I do another haul. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, of course, do subscribe.